I'm not sure if I've ever seen this big of a collection of DAZA or 5-cylinder Audi swapped cars all together. Hello, welcome to the video that you probably ended up because I made the onboard either with the Audi S1 with 5-cylinder or the Golf 8R with 5-cylinder swap, and I said come check out the second channel for even more goodiness, because today we are visiting my dear friend Jerko here near Split, near my house in Croatia as well, basically. Yeah, but that's not important. What's important is that we're visiting him, and I guess his specialty is swapping all the 5-cylinders into other cars and making them extremely fast. Oh, does that have 5-cylinder? No. I think you're missing out. Oh, I mean, that would proper Vulcan. Yes, love it. Right, and we're gonna now look at all the cars that we have here, because more than those two alone that we have driven. So yeah, this one actually just pulled up from Makarska, the city that Maggie and I and Marco live as well. So what's underneath the bonnet?
Customer come to regular service, and this car have 900 horsepower. 900
horsepower, nice.
Yes.
And what do you do to achieve 900 horsepower?
Oh, a lot of things, like forged engine, a big turbo intake, big intake manifold, intercooler, the stronger clutch, a lot of parts.
Okay, yeah. Everything is actually like it's a properly fully built engine.
Yes.
Because sometimes people show up with me and they say like 700 horsepower with just a remap.
No. All cars, this about 600 horsepower have built engine.
Yeah.
Because DAZA is limited with, they have the big roads.
Nice. That's good to know for us when we're gonna do 1000 horsepower. By the way, apologies for maybe overexposed footage, because I forgot my ND filter back in Nürburgring, and also I should have brought extra mics with me. But I guess it gives me a reason to come back here and make another video with Jerko. The TRS, nice. That looks very good. And this looks also not so stock.
Yes,
like
it's a bigger intake manifold. Like the TRS-3 intake, turbo, built engine, everything. Have like 1000 horsepower.
1000 horsepower, nice.
Yes, have 9.0 time on 1/4 mile.
Okay.
Very fast car.
On a normal street, so no glue, no prep.
No prep. We in Croatia no have preps.
In Croatia we have very special roads,
yes.
As you can see, like very special roads. So 9 seconds on a 1/4 mile on this kind of road, I think it's very impressive.
Yes.
You know, after the first overlook, what I really appreciate by you and the car owners is that they look stock. I mean, you see that the car is modified, but they have like a very nice sleeper look. They do not have crazy fake aero or some, like, I don't know, like stands. It's actually like very usable and very nice.
Must be fast and beauty.
This one needs bigger brakes for the 1000 horsepower. So
it's about weight.
Ah, okay, that's why. So pure drag racing car.
TDI.
Yeah. So you actually reverse swapped for lighter brakes. Okay. Well, in drag racing applications, I guess I can understand. But here we have a Seat, one of my favorite platforms of all time, and it also has a DAZA swap. Nice.
Yes, this Seat Cupra, the DAZA swap and the AVD swap.
Oh, nice! It's also all-wheel drive.
Short.
Oh, and it's a short base, because all-wheel drive cars are usually wagons with 5 doors.
Wagons. In original exists only wagon in AVD, but this is short.
Nice.
Whole transmission from RS3.
Very cool. Very nice. Very cool. Oh, we have a Golf 6.
Golf 6, but this is the older 5-cylinder engine. It's not DAZA. It's from RS3 8V.
Yeah. The older one. Yes. We actually bought this one first to put in the Speedster. Or actually Lapa bought it, and then I said, Lapa, what the hell are you doing? Are we building a proper car, or are we like building a budget build? No, budget build we do with the Mercedes 190, so we're gonna build a proper car with the Speedster. So we sold that engine and we bought a proper DAZA. And now it's standing still because we're busy with everything else other than our own. Nice! What's the power output of this baby?
500 horsepower.
500, very moderate.
But it's for that old engine, it's...
Yeah, for the old one it's...
like DAZA with 800.
Yeah. Ooh, nice.
Also stage 3 This is 800 horsepower, built engine and everything else.
Crazy, crazy. Well, this one we've done a lap with, so go check out the video. This one as well, and also for more specs, but Audi S1 also with the TTRS engine. I'm very interested in this car. So this is something...
Most power car here.
With huge exhausts, if you can see. And
titanium exhaust, car.
The interior is still stock, so that's... with the exception of the seats. Podiums. Nice, beautiful, beautiful. Let's bump up the brightness a bit for you guys. Pretty, 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 pretty. And then underneath, so you said this was like 1100, 1200 horsepower?
Yes, 1150.
1150,
yes.
Right in between. So what do you do to get 1150 horsepower out of a DAZA in a Golf? You make a carbon coolant.
Only that, yes.
Yes, that's the secret sauce.
Yes, for more than 1000 horsepower you need
a lot
built engine, and it's totally different story than all other cars here. It have 3 fuel pumps, it have very, very big injectors, they have the clutch, the stronger, the gearbox with spare differential.
A lot of things. What's this thing? Fuel regulator?
Yes, it's fuel regulator.
Nice. It looks very nice.
Mechanical fuel regulator.
Spicy. Can we start it? I want to actually definitely hear it. Jerko offered me to go for a test drive, but my question was like, what are we gonna do in Makarska, or sorry, in Split in rush hour? Your neighbors love you.
Yes. Yeah. I think so.
Sounds good. And I love how the interior still looks very daily usable. It smells like ethanol.
Yes, you can see here it's 83% of ethanol.
So almost E85 basically. So E85 kind of, yeah.
It's tuned on 85, yes. Car with carbon brakes, rear and front.
Oh yeah, ceramics. Nice. Proper. Well, one day we'll take it out on the drag strip or something. But I love how subtle this build is. I mean, it doesn't scream heavy modification. You need to take out the sunroof, man. That's too much weight. yeah, way too much weight. But at least you have a small battery. That's good. That's good. Right. More DAZAs, but that's stock.
Stage 2.
Yeah, so just modified. So
we built on the engine.
You're having another Golf for a DAZA swap?
GTI, DAZA swap, and also AVD swap.
Nice. So is there like lots of work you need to do like a... Oh no, wait, sorry, this is a GTI for all-wheel drive. Yes. I was thinking like, what's so special about having like a Golf R with the all-wheel drive swap? It's stock all-wheel drive. No, this is GTI. So how, like, is there a lot of work to be done on the rear to make it... Maybe you can lift it up, yeah. While this is going up, that's another one.
We just start on this Golf.
With winter tires, so very good.
We put the engine and now working on the swap. This is cable. This looks like that when we start with job.
Another one.
This is 1.8 there.
Yeah, but with just normal engine.
Four cylinder.
Yeah, 4-cylinder.
But have 550 horsepower.
Yeah. What's with the 4 Series?
It's our service car.
Service car,
yes,
nice.
Diesel.
I found a car with a ducktail.
That car we're waiting for setup like in the blue Golf. It will be 1200 horsepower.
Wow, wow.
And
very cool.
Out and we today start with the engine and.
Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at this.
Yes, titanium.
Who's making those?
JD Ibsen.
Nice. Like what, 4 inch? 3.5?
4 inch.
4 inch, wow. Huge. The engine is out. Oh. Everything looks nice and clean. Do you run reinforced drive shafts or those factory?
Factory. This car will have problem with this.
What power is this running?
Now go 1000 horsepower.
And you can run factory drive shafts with 1000 horsepower.
This car has the best gearbox in the, I can say, in the world, because this gearbox with only upgrade clutch can handle 1300 horsepower.
Wow.
It's really fast.
Insane.
We need to change
the tank.
Floor, because the front wheel drive have the space for spare wheel.
Yeah. So that needs to go out.
We now need to change subframe and fuel tank, put normal the prop shaft, the rear subframe with the Haldex, and that's it.
Nice. Thank you very much for showing me around. Is there anything else we missed?
I think no.
No.
For today.
Yeah. Do you have any Golf 4? Sad. But we saw Golf 1 actually, so that was actually very cool. Thank you very much for showing me around.
Thank you for visiting
and
us.
Thank you for Cevapi. So that was also very good. He picked me up from the airport. We ate Cevapi first and then we came here. As mentioned, we took this out for a lap, or at least at the moment of filming this. We still need to, but I assume everything will be fine. Yeah, so go check out video on the main channel about this and the S1, and who knows which other car we're gonna bring next year.
We'll build some new.
Yeah, this is probably a bit too much for the track, but I would be actually very curious to try it out on a proper drag strip. So for that, stay tuned, subscribe, like and share. If you want to have any car built by Jerko for you, any DAZA swap, reach out to him. Everything except for Audi S1. He will not build anyone Audi S1 because it's a massive pain in the butt. But all the other cars is no problem. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And you guys, yeah, I don't know, enjoy the lab. Go to the main channel. Check this out. Yeah.